Hey, y'all just missed all the good stuff we was talking about. Cause, let me tell you, it's not every day I get a handsome, young man in my kitchen to cook with me. But we have hit the jackpot today, y'all. Thank goodness for good friends. One of my best friends in the whole world told me about her nephew, Cooper Brooks. And Cooper agreed to come do a show with us. So tell everybody about yourself,
Yeah.
in 2 seconds.
2 seconds. Well, thank you for having me, first of all.
Listen, I'm just thrilled that you're here. I met your mama, and like I said, your Aunt Elaine is one of my dearest friends in the whole world. So tell us what you're doing.
Yeah, my name is Cooper Brooks, and I work over in Blue Ridge, Georgia, over at the tavern at Old Toccoa Farms. It's this big golf course that they've been running for a while, but over the past 3-4 years, they opened up a restaurant. Mm-hmm. It's all from the ground up, and we're building something very special there.
And I bet it's all farm fresh foods.
Yeah, it is. And
so, in what town is that?
It's Blue Ridge, Georgia.
It's Blue Ridge, Georgia. Okay.
Yeah, it's up north. Yeah.
Okay. Is it near Athens or Atlanta or?
It's about an hour north of Atlanta, hour 15 minutes.
So it's really up in the North Georgia region, which is so beautiful.
It is.
Down here is flatland, but up there we have the mountains and everything.
It's gorgeous up there. It's worth the trip.
It is beautiful. Well, I want to come put my feet under your table. But right now, I've always said that one of my weakest spots in the kitchen is sauces. Thank goodness I do know how to make the one that you're going to share with everybody today. But there's people out there that don't fully get it. So Cooper is going to start by making Cooper's homemade chicken stock, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Take it away, baby.
All right, yeah, so we're going to start with our chicken stock. Let's clear some of this area out there.
I was going to say, we can't burn our tulips.
Oh, yeah, we don't want that.
Nobody likes their tulips burned. Right. Okay, now this is a teeny light right here.
Oh, okay.
This one's a little bigger.
Okay, and
these are the
bigger ones. Yeah.
Yes. So
I'll move it over to this.
I am happy to be your sous chef, and you just order me around.
Okay, we'll do.
And I'm happy to help you.
Sounds good. Yeah, so let's get these wings into this pot here, and we're going to start by blanching them off first. Okay. And that's going to help us get the impurities out, and it's just going to make it more of a clarified stock.
Okay, I'm going to cut. No, let's cut this one up.
So yeah, we're just going to get our wings into the pot here, fill it up with water, and we're just going to bring that water up to a boil and then strain it out, and then we're going to start building our stock with our nice clean wings.
Okay. You said something about are you browning those off? Is that what I heard you say?
No, now you can, but today I think we're going to do a white chicken stock, which is
okay.
We're not going to brown anything. It's just going to be all raw meat here.
Okay. And is that wings too, or is that thighs?
These are wings as well, yeah.
Okay.
I like using the wings for the stock. They have a lot of, all that gelatin, all that connective tissue, and that's just.
And I love a wing. I love a wing and a thigh and a leg, all the dark meat. All right, now, we're going to let this cook for a while before we add our vegetables.
Yeah, so I just got some water in here. We're just going to bring it up to a boil, and that's just going to help us get all the impurities out of the chicken, and it's just going to make our stock a little more clarified. And
Okay. And how long do you dedicate to making your stock? This particular stock.
This one, I like to spend 3 to 4 hours on it. You just keep it on the back burner.
And I'll sit here with 3 or 4 hours with me and Cooper and watch it boil. So our stock is coming along nice, isn't it, Cooper?
Yeah. So this has been boiling for about 5 minutes now, and we're gonna go ahead and strain it out and start building our stock now. So. Right now, these bones, you can kind of see around all this kind of, this is all
That's
just
all
like,
the good.
Yeah.
That's the good stuff. All right, now I don't ever strain my stock. So what is the purpose behind you straining it?
So I know most of what you can do is, and you can just, you don't even have to do this step. I like doing this step. It just, I think it makes for a better tasting stock, better end product. But
Okay.
you know,
Well, then let's do it.
yeah.
Let's do it. It's all right, Lou. I can't hold you right now, though, baby girl. All right, so let's strain it
Yes.
into.
So this water, this is just, we just blanched our bones now. So this water is just all our impurities and all our just gunk. So this can just go down the drain if that's all right with you.
That's all right. I'll put it over here. We may find a use for it.
All right.
So better to have it, not need it, than need it, not have it.
Of course, of course.
Okay. Do you need?
Yeah, I'm gonna get some side towels here.
Yeah. Sorry about that.
No, you're all good. Thank you.
There you go. Okay, you got 2 now.
And we're just gonna be careful now. It's very hot, but just kind of slowly pour it down in there.
Yeah, yeah. Because it was boiling strong.
Oh, yes.
I'm going to move this pot out of the way until we... Yay.
All right. And then I'm just gonna spray this stuff out.
Okay.
And clean this pot out, and then we'll start making our stock.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna add our wings in. These are our blanched chicken wings here.
Uh-huh.
And we're just gonna add it straight back into the pot again.
Sorry.
No, you're all good. You're all good. I'm just gonna go over here. You're gonna add your chicken wings.
Okay. You know, wings used to be cheap.
Oh, they're coming up in price now, aren't they?
Nothing.
Yeah.
Nothing anymore is cheap.
You can say that again.
Ow.
Oh.
That was hot.
You all right?
Listen, I got so many bruises on me.
We've been in the kitchen for a long
I'm
time.
burning my
Oh,
family.
yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, so you're just gonna add your vegetables now. We're gonna add my onions,
Okay.
add your carrots,
Okay.
and then you're gonna add your celery.
Okay.
And after that, we're gonna use is it okay if I use your pot filler here?
Please
All right.
use my pot filler.
And you just want to fill it up with water till it's just above the all your vegetables and your chicken.
Okay. Great. All right, there was
yeah.
a little left over. I'm
Oh,
just
yeah.
gonna scoop all that out. I'm a waste not, want not old lady. Okay, so we got that going high again.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm just gonna bring it to a simmer,
Yeah.
and then you're just gonna put it on your back burner and just let it simmer for about 3 to 4 hours.
Okay.
But we're gonna go and add our herbs.
Yes.
So, some thyme, about 4 to 5 sprigs.
Yeah. To me, you almost can't get too much time.
No. That's
We
just
never have enough time, do we?
No, we don't. We do not. About, 3 bay leaves.
That's about what I use.
2 to 3 bay leaves.
Depending on how big they are.
Yeah.
All right, and your salt and pepper.
Yes. So I salt it at the very end, but we can go ahead and add our black pepper.
Okay. You can use a grinder that you just filled up
All right.
if you'd like to.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. So, or you go ahead. I'm sorry, I interrupted you.
I was just going to say,
Yeah.
I'm not one for real hot foods, real spicy food,
Yeah.
and my husband is, but I have just found that fresh ground is not nearly as hot
Yeah.
as the ground restaurant
I
pepper.
agree.
So
I
I
agree.
just love the fresh ground.
Well, to me, it just has more flavor when you
Hit it, baby.
Yeah, let's do it.
Tell me how much you gonna use.
Probably about a tablespoon. We'll start out with that.
Okay. Yep, that's gonna season it good.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to move this back. I'm gonna move my 2 lips
All right.
because I don't want them burnt.
No, we don't.
All right, we're gonna move it to that eye right back there, so it'll
All
be
right.
out of the way because it's got a long way to go and a short time to get there.
Yes, it
y'all.
does.
Do y'all ever use what I call a wet base?
What face? Yeah. We guess a part of it in
This is what I like.
Okay.
This is what I like. And to me, any dish you put this in is going to step it up. But you have to remember that there's a lot of salt in these wet bases, but flavor like you've never had before. So I'm gonna do a little scoop, to your stock.
Yeah, that's some of that in there.
Yeah. And I just couldn't do without my wet bases. Okay, so I'm gonna give your stock a little taste
Okay.
now that I put the chicken base in it.
Sounds good.
Does that sound good?
Yeah, let's do it.
It's delicious.
Oh, that's great to
I
hear.
want you to try it.
Okay, yes,
You,
please.
you tell me if that's where you. It's hot.
It is hot.
I know my lips.
Oh,
My two lips are burning.
oh.
Not my flour two lips, but those two lips.
That is delicious, though.
Isn't it
Very good.
delicious?
Yeah.
I think you did a great job. So on a rainy, slow afternoon, you can make your stock, whether it's beef, chicken, lamb, whatever kind of stock you want, and you got a few hours.
Yeah.
Put that on and sit back and let it do its magic. He got an A+ on his chicken stock, y'all. So I hope you enjoy that video. Like I said, on a slow rainy day and you don't have anything pressing, get them wangs or whatever pieces of chicken. The breast does not make good stock.
No, it doesn't have the connective tissue there.
No.
That's that gelatin.
No, it does not. But them flappers and wings,
Oh yeah.
I love the flapper.
Oh yeah.
2 bones.
Yeah.
I love the flapper. But anything but the breast,
Yeah.
unless you're making soup or something like that. But spend a few hours laid back and let your stock just
Oh yeah.
let all those flavors marry. And like I said, put it in the freezer, save it.
Your whole house will smell like chicken butt.
It smells. But I love that
Yeah,
smell.
me too. Me too.
But I appreciate you being here.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for having me.
You're such a sweet young man, and this is Cooper's first time ever in the whole world doing anything like this.
Yes. I'm not a big camera person, but we're.
Well, you did
Yeah.
fine.
Thank you
You
for
did
pushing me
fine.
in my discomfort zone here. So thank you so much for that.
Yeah, it's important to do what scares you the
It
most.
does. It does. It is. It is very important.
Builds character.
You're right about that.
Okie doke. Well, we're going to do another video because of Cooper's stock. We're going to use that in his chicken piccata recipe that's going to be coming up in the next video.
Yep. We'll see you soon.
See you soon. Bye-bye. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.